welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Natasha B, and I'm back with another video. So today's video is gonna be pretty much about being a vlogger. So I know I actually get this question a lot, like, oh my god, how do I start? What do I do? Whoop-de-woo. And I'm just like, girl, it's really not that hard. I even get stopped a couple times and I get asked this exact same question. So literally, y'all, all you need is your phone. The phones nowadays have really great quality, so you can honestly just start with that. That's literally how I'm doing everything. I don't have a camera, so even right now I'm filming on my phone. So I just happen to have box lights to make sure that things look really nice and bright, and then I also try and do like a nice clear background or something like that, so that it's not too busy in the background. I know you see like my graduation picture, but it's really not busy in the back, so that's usually how I like to keep it very simple in the back so that you can focus on me. So anyways, in this video, I'm just going to show you guys a few of the items that I actually have for vlogging or for just sitting down, just creating YouTube content, how I set up shop, how everything looks behind the scenes. It looks a whole mess, but you guys will never know because of what you see on the screen. So yeah, I'm just going to get right into it, show you guys how it works, what it looks like, some of the items and things that I do, that I've used, and I'll also be sure to link those items down below. The few things that I do use, literally y'all, I don't use much, so it won't be much listed, but the few things that I do use, I am definitely going to list those things down below. So as my channel grows, I will definitely be reinvesting into the channel so that of course I can present better content as time goes on. But for right now, I'm still a baby channel with barely 2,000 subscribers, so I'm like still new, like I'm a baby right now. So, you know, hopefully we can change that, guys. Definitely make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment down below. If you have any questions, let me know. You know, I'm always good about answering all the questions in the comments. And yeah, let's just get right into the video. All right, guys, so excuse the mess. My dad still has not put up the Christmas stuff yet. So right now I'm in the bonus room, and this is usually where I film, and this is the setup that I have for when I do like a video where I'm actually like sitting down and I have good lighting. This is usually like how I do it. So this is literally vlogging on a budget, like broke vlogging, let's call it that. So yeah, so this right here, I got this whole setup. It's a whole lighting setup. I got it off of Amazon. I actually got it for Christmas one year. My parents got it for me for a few years back, and I think it was like $40 or $50 or something like that. But they have different selections, different packages that you can get. Some are more expensive, some are cheaper. So yeah, so I suggest you do that. I think they have one set for like $30. So I'll list links down below for you to get a set similar to this. I have different variations, like the cheaper ones and then the more expensive ones. I have it all linked down below, and the exact one that I have here. So anyways, so yeah, so these are the two stands that come with the set, and then I usually use this the white umbrellas, and then I attach them to the poles, and that is kind of what gives me my lighting. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and set that up. right, guys, so this is the final setup. So I know it's kind of bootleg, but this is literally what works. So I just get the chair, of course, as you can see from the computer desk over there. And then I just got a box. I got like a table right here. I got my two lights to shine on me to give me good lighting. I have a pretty plain background. It's like a gray. So it's nice, especially with the lighting when it hits it. And then I have the box right here. This right here helps me to prop my phone up, because as you guys know, I film on my phone. So yeah, no camera over this way, honey. So yep, so this is literally all that I do. And yeah, it pretty much works for me. So this is how I film my videos. And then my vlogs, of course, you know, I just use my phone and just walk around with my phone. So yeah, guys. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. It really isn't that long. It's pretty quick, simple. I don't really do too much. I don't really have too much to work with, but I mean, it does the job for right now. So yeah, if you definitely want to get started vlogging, I definitely recommend it, whether it's flight attendant vlogging or you're just creating content about any sort of niche, beauty, travel, whatever the case may be. Yeah, you could definitely start with literally nothing. Just start with your phone and just wing it. That's exactly what I did. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.